How to use ChatGPT for travel planning. First of all, simply open the ChatGPT application. You can also use it from a browser if you don't have the app. Now, to make the most of the trip planning, mention or tell the ChatGPT how many days you have, how many budget you have, so that it can build custom itineraries, estimate trip cost, compare neighborhoods, or generate packing checklists. You can tell it exact travel dates and how long you'll have it and how many people are traveling. You can give stylistic preferences such as specify if you prefer slow-paced, relaxing trips or packed, high-energy sightseeing days. And also ask for logical routing, instruct the AI to group activities geographically to minimize daily transit time. I'll give you one example by typing here. You can also use the voice feature. Just tap on voice and start telling it. Hey ChatGPT, I have 1 week vacation next August and I want to plan a trip of 7 people. We have a budget of around $600, plus we'll have extra $1,000 if parents allow. We're going on a road trip. We have a vehicle. What should we do? What should our itinerary look like? What are the places nearby? We'll travel on Kathmandu, select the best routes from Pokhara and customize our meal plan and the best sightseeing places and so on. Then just hit send and it will start planning. So the ChatGPT also recommend the destination to not miss because I included that context also. So this is your 7-day, how it will look like. Day 1, it also includes estimated time, day 2, day 3, and all of the activities that you can do. And you can scroll and see what are the sites where you can enjoy hiking, photography, and also the local food. So you can use ChatGPT for the utmost experience because it also mentions travel time, return, so that you never miss anything and make the most of your time. And thank you for watching this video, guys. This is exactly how you can make a well-organized plan. If you enjoyed the video, consider give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.